Meaning of honor.
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 Honor. Honor is a noun that refers to a high level of respect, admiration, or esteem that one receives from others due to their achievements, character, or reputation. It can also be viewed as a personal code of conduct or ethical principles that one upholds, especially in difficult situations. Honors are bestowed upon individuals for their outstanding contributions to society, such as awards, medals, or titles. Honor is a valuable and desirable quality that has been prized throughout history and across cultures for its ability to bring individuals and communities together through shared values and ideals.